Rainy is just a vibe for me because I like rainy day because it's giving a different vibe and take it like this. See, imagine you're just sitting on the desk. Is just sitting there to desk. There's a window. Just take a cup of tea, drinking a cup of tea, and drinking and see the view outside raining. Oh my god, it is. How do I say this? It's I love about that because you couldn't go outside, you couldn't do this, but hey, just chill, just sit down and look in the window like, wow, this is really reality. This is literally me because I love rain. Like, especially when I was a kid, like I was like 15, 14, playing game on the Switch. I was playing game. Rain's coming up. It's like, oh, that's a nice one. Oh, couldn't go outside, chill on desk, playing game, Switch. Then back then it's like Fortnite, like crazy game I love. It's Fortnite. Now it's not. I don't think I have games I should play. So yeah, games I should play. Today is I think it's a raining day. Not much, not crazy, not heavy. It's like a little bit. So yeah, my crazy text is love. I love raining. Is my life. Is patient. It's my passion. Yeah. Peace.